In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install libraries legacy trainer for GTA 4 and use it easily in game. Check my video description for this mod link. Check the manual download option and check the download option. Check the slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for the second mod link. Check download this file option. Select accept and download and this will start downloading. And check my video description for the stat mod link. Check the download option and check the skip option. And then check my video description for this lost mod link. Check the visit download site and check the zip and download the scripthook.net. After all this download done, check this folder icon. First go with the script hook. Just right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. And now take a backup of this GTA 4 game folder. Once you take the backup, open the GTA 4 folder, drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Once this done, just go back. And the second one, you need to open the ASI loader, drag and drop this DLL inside the game folder. And that one, you need to open this GTA 4 complete edition fix. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder, replace the file in the destination. The fourth one, you need to open this trainer, drag and drop these two files inside a game folder. Once this done, just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, just press the space bar key, it will guide you. Now you just need to use down arrow and select continue, press enter. Once you are in game, press the F1 to open up this trainer. Using the down arrow and up arrow, you can choose the option. To select the option, press enter. To test this trainer, I'm gonna change the weather, changing this to sunny, raining, foggy, extra sunny too. The trainer is working fine. To close this trainer, press the F11 key. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.